Hello everyone, welcome back again. I hope all of you are doing good in these corona times. And I also hope that all my class 12s have started their preparation already for the 2022 boards. If you have not, I would request and advise you all to start doing so because it becomes very taxing to do the preparation at the last minute. Anyways, I would like to thank all of those who have subscribed to my videos and my channel Debit Credit with Akanksha Kalyani, and those who have not, I would request you all to subscribe to my channel Debit Credit with Akanksha Kalyani so that you get a new notification whenever a new video is uploaded. I have already done most of the concepts of fundamentals of partnership, that is the PL appropriation account, partners capital and current accounts, drawings account, interest on drawings account, interest on loan, calculation of correct net profit, then salary to partners, remuneration to partners, and various other things that have been related to the PL appropriation, partners capital and current accounts. I have also done a few sums based on them, and I have introduced you all to the guarantee of profits along with a sum based on the same concept. Now today again I will be doing a sum based on guarantee of profits. The sum is on page 1.83, illustration 61, T.S. Garewal, edition 2019. Reading the sum, Anu, Bhavi, Chabi and Disha are the names of the partners. Just in case you have a different edition, you can look for the sum in case the sum number does not match. Anu, Bhavi, Chabi and Disha are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 4:3:2:1. Their capitals as at 1st April 2018 were 3 lakh, 2 lakh 50,000, 1 lakh 50,000 and 1 lakh respectively. Disha's share of profits excluding interest on capital is guaranteed by the firm to be not less than 2 lakh 50,000, and Chavi's share of profit including interest on capital and salary guaranteed by Anu is not less than 2 lakh 60,000. So Disha is being guaranteed a minimum profit by the firm and Anu is guaranteeing a profit to Chavi. Net profit for the year ended 31st March 2019 was 9 lakh before interest on capital at 10% and salary to Chavi at rupees 10,000 per month. Prepare a profit and loss appropriation account and distribute the profits. Now, our first working note. I am going to do the working notes in part, but you have to do it as in when the part comes in the PL appropriation account. I hope you know that the PL appropriation account and the working notes will go parallelly. I am just doing the whole sum in parts so that it is better understood by you all. The first working note, interest on capital accounts. Anu, she had an opening balance of 3 lakhs and 10% per annum. So 3 lakh into 10 by 100, which is rupees 30,000. Bhavi, 2 lakh 50,000 into 10 by 100, which is 25,000. Shavi, 1 lakh 50,000 into 10 by 100, which is 15,000. And Disha, 1 lakh into 10 by 100, which is 10,000. Now all of this will be debited to the PL appropriation account. Now coming to the first part of the PL appropriation account, the very first thing, transfer of the net profit. So by net profit on the credit side of the PL appropriation account, which is 9 lakhs. To interest on capital accounts, we have already shown the working note on the capital account on the debit side. Anu 30,000, Bhavi 25,000, Chavi 15,000, Disha 10,000 and total up 80,000. Now Chavi was entitled to a salary of rupees 10,000 per month, so a total of 1,20,000 to the debit side of the PL appropriation account. Now I deduct 80,000 and 1,20,000 from 9 lakh and I get a balance of 7 lakh. I will show further in the second part how I am going to distribute this surplus profit among the partners. Now, calculation of deficiency of profit for Disha. The minimum profit guaranteed to Disha excluding interest on capital is 2,50,000. Her actual share of profit was 1/10th of 7 lakh. 7 lakh was the distributable profit and her share was 1/10. So 7 lakh into 1/10, which is 70,000. She is deficient of 1,80,000. So the firm has guaranteed to pay her 1,80,000. Now in a partnership firm, it is Anu, Bhabi and Chavi or the rest of the partners who are going to bear this deficiency on the part of the firm. So Anu, Bhavi and Chavi are going to bear this deficiency in the ratio 4:3:2. Now, how are we going to calculate Disha's deficiency being borne by Anu, Bhavi and Chavi in the ratio 4:3:2? So, her deficiency was 1,80,000. Anu is going to bear 4/9 part of 1,80,000, which is 80,000. Likewise, Bhavi is going to bear 3/9 of 1,80,000, which is 60,000. And Chavi is going to bear 2/9 part of 1,80,000, which is 40,000. So 80,000, 60,000 and 40,000 are going to be deducted from their share of profits. From 80,000, 60,000 and 40,000 are going to be deducted from Anu, Bhavi's and Chavi's share of profits respectively. Now, calculation of Chavi's share of profit. Calculation of Chavi's share of profits. Her actual share of profits was 1,40,000 and her deficiency through Disha, the firm's deficiency that she borne was 40,000. So I deduct that 40,000 from 1,40,000 and I get 1 lakh. Now I am supposed to give her a minimum of 2,60,000 along with salary and interest on capital. So I will add interest on capital and salary to this 1 lakh, which is 1,35,000. 1 lakh and 1,35,000 totals up to 2,35,000. This is still lesser than the minimum profit guaranteed to Chavi. So in my next working note, I will show how I am going to give this to Chavi from Anu's share. Now the minimum profit guaranteed to Chavi was 2,60,000. Profit plus interest plus salary was 2,35,000. So she has a deficiency of 25,000, which will be borne by Anu. Now, the calculation of actual share of profits. Anu 7 lakhs into 4/10, that is 2,80,000. Bhabi 7 lakh into 3/10, which is 2,10,000. Chavi 7 lakh into 2/10, which is 1,40,000, and Disha 7 lakh into 1/10, which is 70,000. Now the last working note of this sum, calculation of the share of profit after deficiency. Anu, her actual share of profit was 2,80,000 minus 80,000 that was given to Disha minus 25,000 that was given to Chavi. So 1,75,000 is what Anu will get. Bhavi's share of profit, she had 2,10,000 of actual profit minus 60,000 given to Disha. So her share of profit was 1,50,000 after the calculation. Chavi, 1,40,000 was her share of profit, actual share of profit. From that, she gave 40,000 to Disha, that was 1 lakh, and then I add 25,000 to that, so I get 1,25,000 for Chavi. Disha 70,000 plus 1,80,000 as borne by Anubhavi and Chavi, so 2,50,000. All these will be debited to the PL appropriation account. Now, the last part of the sum, the second part of the PL appropriation account, by balance brought down 7 lakh, that was the profit that needed to be distributed. I have already shown how I got each of these profits in my working note, so I will just transfer those final figures into my PL appropriation account on the debit side. So, two partners capital account, share of profit, Anu 1,75,000, Bhavi 1,50,000, Chavi 1,25,000, Disha 2,50,000. I total up, I get 7 lakhs and I close the PL appropriation account. Now, as I have said earlier in this video, I would really request you all to start your preparation for your class 12 boards. It may not happen, yes, definitely based on the situation. Yes, syllabus may or may not cut down. If they do cut down the syllabus, they will never cut down this chapter because this is the fundamentals chapter. Coming to the reason why I am making the videos is because I have been teaching for the last 10 years and I have seen students make the same common mistakes over and over again. So I thought I would come up with these videos with much more clarity and much more understandings with a few examples given in the books so that I can help you all approach the sums and the question with much more clarity. Also, at the end of my chapter, the last sum, when I finish doing the last sum, I will definitely put up a list of a few important sums from the back questions. I do give online and offline classes, so just in case you want to contact me for the same, you could contact me for it. The number is given on the last part of the video. If you do like my video, do subscribe to my channel, Debit and Credit with Akanksha Kalyani. Thank you so much.